Hello, welcome back to day 5 of Vibe Coding application which is Saas application. Um, and I'm building this application until I achieve this goal called 1 million, and I will not stop until I achieve that goal. And let's get excited and build this application, dude. Yeah, this is Ganesh from this side. Ganesh, hope you all are doing great. Today's goal is to figure out how to Sorry about my fucked up hairstyle. I know that. Literally, uh, I do want to uh, go to barber and do some hairstyle shoot thing, but no worries. No worries. It is what it is, right? We are building right now. We just have to focus on that thing rather than focusing on unnecessary part, right? Yeah. Day 5, day 5, day 5 of being consistent. I don't know about the time part, but I'm being consistent with the days. And yeah, I have to focus on the time part. Yeah, it comes with the habit which we create, right? Let's focus on the habit itself, and let's convert that into proper time. Proper time. Okay. Okay, let's open the software. Yesterday, I think I did completed every single process of updating and everything. Why it's beginning from the start? One sec. Oh, it has changed its overall outlook, right? I like that. But what's the matter with this thing, man? What's the matter with this thing? Let's open a folder called posture guard. Yes, I trust, brother. Okay, hello, don't worry. Today, let's begin. Okay, it's saying that I'm not available. Claude Sonnet and Claude Opus GPT OSS 120B. No matter what, we'll start building and we'll start executing whatever we're building, and yeah, let's go from there. Right? Let's go from there. I think we don't need to stop. When we stop ourselves, that is when we stop growing, and that is when we, um, yeah. As always, my hairstyle is yuffed up, and I don't know, man, what's about this hairstyle. You know, let's build the app, brother. Let's build the app. See, even I'm seeing no views and no likes and no any results. I'm just being consistent, and I think that's the game, right? That's the game, and it will play that the results will be coming up in few days. I'm manifesting that, and I'm also focusing on marketing myself in a proper way so that I can grab attention of few viewers coming and watching me every single day at some point of time, at certain point of time, and I will be starting this live streaming every single day, and I will be making sure of marketing myself properly. That those things I have to learn, right? Those things I have to learn. I'll just keep set it right here. Yeah, let's start the process, right? Let's start the process. I think you can see that this whole thing. So we are going to choose this thing, flash high. Yeah. So um, like day before yesterday. See, I'm chatting like a normal friend wherein I'll just say whatever I want to say, I wish to say, and yeah, I have to improve my prompt engineering. Now I'm just trying to be more descriptive rather than being a professional kind of prompter or something like that. Okay, yeah, let's make it somewhat professional, not that much professional because it's my child, you know. So like day before yesterday, building this posture guard application using Lord Sonat 4.6, I guess. Can you provide me the update? Yeah, guys, it's an important thing that we have to be patient while we prompting. I learned this thing like in a hard way because I am also freaking damn lazy. I'm freaking damn lazy, and I had learned this in a very hard way. Yeah, you can use this audio recording thing also if you're good at communication part. I'm good at writing, but I'm also good at speaking. I must say that, I must admit that. But the thing about me is I'm very much wanting to do better at um, writing part. Okay, yeah. No, it's it's doing is it's just dragging all the files. It's analyzing every file, uh, and it's after the analyzation process happens, it will give us the proper kind of thing what we have to do. What are the things? How to proceed from there? You can see here, right? It gave all the description that we need to like implement based on the comprehensive review of file. Okay, and here is detailed objective update of the current state of posture guard. Okay, technical stat architecture, front core clean, I know that. A vision, I know this. Audio engine utilizes web audio API. Okay, interesting. Storage layer, local storage. Okay, I did not, yeah, make log API, implemented initial boarding, multi-step boarding projection. Okay, okay, dynamic sensitivity ruler. Okay, okay, SPG. Okay, okay, okay. Interactive setting assessment, UI, clean emerald. Okay, snooze, periodic. Okay, local achievement system unlocks persistent game like achievement badges into local storage for reaching specific. Okay, okay, idea. Okay, now it's gave us a proper normal idea, not normal but proper idea. Okay, now here we can read this and where we can proceed the further process. If you like to brainstorm the design details of prioritize next step, you can use the okay command to run interactive assignment as a interview. When you are ready to define a specific feature of refactor, we can build our detail from implementation. So I just want to know, is there any market paying these apps please give me a simple idea how much I can set as like subscription fee. Now, yeah. I'm just asking it, is it a proper kind of a thing to like charge this kind of app and make some revenue out of it? See, validating a proper idea is for best way of validating an idea, right? Is just to market it and put a price on it and make it available for maximum people, as much as people, as much as possible, right? If someone, let's say someone like me, okay, who really needs this app, who wants to correct their posture, they will try to use that app, and yeah, I can get somewhat profit. See, that is the whole point of view of building this app, right? And also the whole point of, see, I want to know how this market works. I'm more than earning part. I'm really interested in how this really working to people, right? How they are building like $1 million businesses and $10 million businesses, $10,000 per month. What the hell is happening in the online, right? I want to also explore that kind of opportunity, and I think it's possible more than I can even imagine, right? Let's see what happens, what it gave us. Yeah, market viability. There is there a paying market? Yes, absolutely. Oh yeah, thank you for that. It's a positive answer. The market for posture and ergonometic ergomic, okay, wow, it's not normal like word for me. And okay, viable, particularly among desk bound knowledge workers. Yeah, absolutely, for me also. Designers, writers, I'm a designer also, yeah. Design digital norms, corporate billing, wellness programs, high cost pain, severe back and neck pain, tech neck, lead to lost productivity, extreme high again. Okay, okay, they are paying for physical therapist costs and chiropractor. Okay, nice. 80 to 150 okay, man. Ergonomic chair cost 500 to, okay, 15. $100. It's I like that number. See, look at that number. One person, if one person pays this much, brother, it has a capability, I guess. Compared to these expenses, software subscription that prevents the issue is highly cost effective. Nice. Uh, Privacy first advantage crucial for developers because your implementation uses media by post directly in the browser. The webcam data is processed entirely locally on the user machine. No video feed or raw images are ever sent to server for engineer. Okay, it's beautiful. It's beautiful engineers. Privacy advocates and corporate okay, proceedings USG. Okay, it is saying that it's like we can really focus on building this product and majorly focus upon software engineers, privacy by privacy advocates and corporate IT departments. This is a massive selling point that justifies a premium price, right? Yeah, I think so. If that is the major aspect that I can use, I will use, right? For international software professionals and enterprise employees, particularly in North America, Western Europe, and Australia, a freemium SaaS model is highly effective. Okay, here is a realistic value tested pricing proposal. Direct to tier A may like highest individuals who can pay money, like uh, yeah, buy my service and they can pay money. Yeah, it's good. Direct to consumer D2C for individual remote workers or developers. Yeah, nice. Subscription plan, freemium kind of thing, I guess. Pricing USD in dollars. Position. See, I'm not focusing on इंडियंस राइट नो लाइक हमारा भारतीय लोगों के लिए फोकस नहीं कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि इट्स नॉट market for that I should be focusing upon India, right? Like, I'm not judging anyone here. Everyone can pay to this product, it's not high, okay? But the thing about this is, I'm just focusing upon foreign countries rather than focus upon India because that is how I can broaden my knowledge. I can experience things, how I can earn things, and how I can go to market, how I can earn $1 million. That's what I want to explore, right? That is what interests me a lot, rather than thinking of what is happening, what is not happening. Every fucking shit. You should not think all of those things, right? Uh, Free basic zero includes real-time camera tracking and basic alerts. Keeps top of funnel user acquisition high. Okay. Monthly premium $4.99. What is how much is 4.99? How much is 4.99? I want to know that because it's freaking low. I guess it's freaking low. I guess. Is it like we can increase that price? Uh, or I should just put it that way because see I'm not gonna make anything higher than this. See, it's only 477 rupees, 477.20 rupees in Indian rupees, okay. And USA dollar is rising every single day, I guess. I think I just have to keep that in mind. And yeah, it's 4.99, $5. Okay, low barrier, right? No worries, no worries. Low barrier to entry, ideal for users to want to try and full features set without commitment. Okay, annual premium 229.99 and year effective 2.5 per month. It's very much effective because you're only paying 2.5, like half of the monthly premium, right? It's good sweet spot, right? Yeah, it's sweet spot. I was thinking about that. Build once a year offers a 50% discount compared to monthly pricing, securing upfront, yearly cash flow, lifetime license. See, here it has already sorted out a plan. Okay, Now I don't want to make it free. We can make a normal free trial, like one or two free trials. But thing about this app is, brother, we have to make it payable so that everyone can take it seriously, right? If I make it free for everybody, they will try it and they will not take it as serious as possible, because it's my experience in these things. I was creating a communication group where everyone joins, but 90% of people will not even talk in when you look at that top 10% also, only 5% of that top 10% will speak, and they will disappear out of random. Okay, and the top 5% will only talk every like twice a week or thrice a week, according to our schedule or according to their schedule. So this happens. I have seen this kind of thing. Yeah, the barrier was like only 70 people. I know the barrier should be increased to judge this kind of, to take this kind of decisions, but the thing about me is I have very less time to take decisions, and I'll be focusing upon making decisions rather than thinking of or overthinking of things, right? I don't like that. Lifetime license like $59 per one once. I think I have to make it lot more better, like at price. uh, I think it's basic, man. It's not that higher, I guess, but it's not that lower also. It's at lower middle kind of pricing, wherein we can really market it in Reddit and Instagram platforms, I guess, wherein I can get some kind of audience from that platform. See, I got an experience from YouTube platform where I got like millions of views, and in another channel of my YouTube where I post like news videos. Yeah, news is every time like trendy kind of thing, right? Every Indian will watch news and every sort of thing. But the thing about this kind of app promotion, it can take lots of time if you like not focusing on the marketing properly, I guess. It can take very freaking less time if you do it in a very proper way, very beautiful way, right? Not proper, I can say that it's a beautiful way of knowing people's interest, and according to that we are like explaining about our story, our product, and getting them to follow us, getting them to letting them to see our product, visit our product, something like that, right? Yeah. Premium features could include detailed weeklies, analytics, custom break intervals, downloadable posture, integrate with Slack, Teams, and exclusive. Okay, I will do this, man. I think I have to do this. I can also see I can also sell B2B, right? Corporate wellness. Many remote first software companies have wellness stipends or buy software licenses for their entire team to improve health and oh fuck man, oh fuck man. I have to copy this, man. I have to copy everything about this, and I have to get into research part. How I can do this better, how I can make like market, and how I can like uh, where I can focus to market my product. I want to start it today itself. Let's do it today. Okay. Key strategies to maximize conversation. The coffee. Okay. Coffee comparison. Okay. It's a deliberately very funny comparison, but it's okay, man. It's important, right? To be funny is important in marketing campaign thing. Frame the annual cost to 29.99, the price of just one cup of coffee per month to save your spine. Yeah, absolutely, brother. I have to also save my spine. I bend like this. I am like sitting like a snake right now. It's my problem that I created this app, where it came from. And yeah, 7-day free trial. Force unlock all features, premium features like custom ascent. Yeah, I think this will create a small kind of attraction towards the app, which will really make them to like make them to use this app for at least 1 month time period. For that they have to pay me some amount, right? It's an interesting kind of point of view when you look at, yeah, custom accent colors, advanced settings and achievements. I have to put this strike thing also. This will make them to stay in my app and post about my app. And yeah, the whole point of view of building app is helping people to get better at the sitting posture and get better at being confident. And that's how they will be positive and they will get every single thing that they want. Once they get used to notifications and customized themes, prompt them to subscribe to keep them. Stripe integration for foreign market using checkout system. Stripe or Lemon Squeezy is ideal because it handles local payment methods. Apple, Google Play local codes, Google global tax compliance effortlessly. Okay, so what do you suggest as a next one and only step that we should take right now to fasten our process? 2,000 dollars, yeah, minimum we have to put it in a proper like major kind of thing, where wherein we can, if we achieve this amount, this revenue or this kind of profit, brother, we can get that confidence to build it much more better with the with more future features, or to create a different kind of application which really solves a major problem than this, like bigger one than this, right? But we have to put the focus on right into it so that we can see the capability of how much we can earn from this, right? I think it's a major issue when when we look at the posture correction, because so many people can ignore this process problem. But I think it's an important thing to focus upon if you want to ignore the what we can say chiropractors, I guess, chiropractors and therapists. So yeah. Okay, only one view, not more than that. It's not a problem for me because I'm not focusing upon views right now. Rather than that, I'm just focusing upon how like rather than that, I'm just focusing upon building this app right as better as possible, in a better way as possible. Focusing upon I have to cut my hair. I have to do my hairstyle. I guess it's my thing. Yeah, from tomorrow you will be looking at different Ganesh, okay? Different hairstyle, different Ganesh. And also, I'm changing my place. Getting out of my hometown so that I can build products that I want to build, the services that I want to build. And there is much more that we have to explore. There is much more that yet to come. Exciting stuff yet to come. So many builders I am going to meet, and so many friends that I'm going to make in this journey. And yeah, please try to stay in touch with me, stay in contact. This will help you to grow and grow with me, right? It's an important thing that we grow all together. That's how we win our game, right? Yeah, this journey. And yeah, it's gave a different kind of explanation right now. 2000 in your first month, the strategy must shift from engineering first to revenue first. Okay, it's good. It's totally changing its perspective of how it made the like first kind of subscription model. I think it's going to change that into different model. You need like 67 people to buy $30 per year subscription, or you need 34 people to buy lifetime license. Okay, not bad. In 30 days window, you cannot waste weeks building complex databases, multi-tenant user authentications, and heavy backends. You need to absolute shortest path to checkout screen. Yeah, I know that. I am also aware of that. The one and only next step: integrate a premium paywall overlay or hosted payment gateway. We must turn a beautiful local application into a commercial product to adding a commercial gate or payment checkout directly into the front end. Here is exactly how this single step works without requiring any complex server architecture. 10-minute free daily limit, and okay, limit reached and pro feature clicked. Click do GoPro, open Stripe, or lemon squeezy checkout. I have to check out lemons. What is lemon squeezy? I see. I'm living in India. I cannot go with the Stripe because there is no. It is asking for GST number. I don't have any GST kind of number right now. I'm not doing any kind of proper business. Okay, I don't have any business right now. Okay, with the help on in online basically, like on web development kind of thing. How do we implement this fast? The no backend approach. Okay, establish free tier limit like 10 minutes or achieving daily tracking, 10 minutes hits, camera poses, and a beautiful high converting unlock. Okay, it's, it's more funnier than me, man. It's more funnier than me. Integrate hosted payment overlay, Stripe or Lemon Peasy, check out GoPro and everything. Front end license verification, we add a small beautiful text box in the paywall model. Already have a license key, enter it here. When they paste the key, front end makes light. Yeah, okay. Oh fuck, man. Or lemon squeezy, right? Let me look at this because Stripe brother, it's not allowing me anything. Okay. Now I have an account in Razorpay. If Razorpay will work, I will just download that thing and I will just connect this thing with Razorpay. Okay, I think it's not a it's the biggest problem for me. If I use lemon squeezy, I will just use the Razorpay. Um, in Razorpay, and I am allowed for getting international clients. Um, can you help me with this thing? Let's connect with Razer. But I think it will take some time for updation the platform like website from the previous one. And I think we need to create a link for accepting payments, international payments, payments from the Razor. If you want start building this, say the word. I will generate format in implementation plan showing the UI mockups of payment wall and changes to once you approve the plan, we will write a code and test it. Okay, one sec. No code redirect activation using the Razorpay account is perfect solution. Razorpay has excellent support for the international credit cards, and we can set this up using either payment link with the URL. Yeah, absolutely, brother. I love this tool, man. Anti-gravity. I love this tool. Absolutely, brother. You can look at this and you can do any freaking thing that you want. It is explaining you every fucking thing. I think it can also help you to market your product properly. This bypasses the need of database, user login for custom server scripts, allowing you to launch this in just hours. Mhm. It's beautifully see. It's provided as a proper plan where we can also go through this plan and where we can start doing our thing, right? Start doing our thing. Uh, Give me some time, guys. I will be right back. I want to drink some water. I am just waiting to. Now, there are few things that I am going to be safely proceeding with. I will not share any of my API integration things online because it's a shitty thing to do, man. It's a common sense that we have to keep our things private, like payment links and every other stuff about payment. And yeah, I have learned it like yesterday in the afternoon. So yeah, I have designed a secure, robust integration plan to ensure you only pay for users access. Brother, they don't need to bypass anything here. I want just payment customers to. Implementation of plan check-in. Uh, Sorry about my face and everything right now. I'm just focusing upon the app building process. I'm not focusing upon how I'm sitting or how I'm standing and every other stuff. Allowed anti-gravity only. Because it's necessary for me to be updated by this platform because I'm starting this payment gateway thing. I will learn from my mistakes and I will be honest with my audience. Whatever I'm doing for helping them, and I'm also doing for earning some money. I want to know how much I can earn from this, right? I want to know how much I can create a revenue out of this platform, right? What is my capacity? How much is will be the capacity for doing for what is the earning potential? What can be the earning potential for making this app successful, right? Ah, oh, brother. Oh, what the hell, man? What the hell? What the hell? See, look at this, man. The base plan has been ended. I didn't even done one thing, brother. I didn't even processed one thing. What the hell is happening with these platforms, brother? This can affect my building process, brother. This can affect my building process. Look at this building. Everything has been sorted out, and yeah, this was happened with me in the past also. See, you can also see that thinking and hoppers and this These three, I didn't even use these both platforms. They are like, uh, you just fuck out of this, get the fuck out of our face, and I will just. What the hell is happening with this platforms, man? Brother, I'm using different one, brother. I'm using different fucking one, brother. What the hell is happening with this platforms, dude? What the hell is happening with this platforms, dude? I can't even understand what the hell is happening. Oh fuck, man. Oh fuck, man. So I just have to wait for like, what the fuck? One sec. What I have to wait for like, what was the time period? 28th, brother. It's like 23rd of May, and I have to wait for like 5 days. What the hell is happening with this tool, man? Is there any way that I can find that unlimited kind of tokens and I can start building from there? I want to implement this as soon as possible, man. I thought I will be making it even like uh, live today itself, like tomorrow, until tomorrow itself, right in the morning. I just don't want to sleep for that also. What the fuck is happening with these platforms, man? I am just sorting this thing out, man. I'm just sorting this thing out. I just want to start.
Event in the AI space just took place, the Google I/O Summit. I attended it and saw them release so many tools to pull up their status as the number one AI company in the world. For the last 2 years straight, every single time someone wanted to build something serious with AI on their laptop, the conversation always came down to the same two names. It was either Claude Code by Anthropic or OpenAI's Codex, and both of them had quietly built such a strong lead in this space that most people had genuinely started to believe Google was completely out of the race for good. And then this week, Google released over 20 tools in 24 hours and priced most in a way that made every other player in the market question their strategies. So in this video, we are going to explore Anti-Gravity 2.0, one of the tools that is like having Cloud Code and Codex bundled together in one single place. Except you can start using it for free. Even if you have never written a single line of code in your entire life, you can build full-blown products using this. Don't get overwhelmed. We'll show you the easiest step-by-step beginner's tutorial to master this tool. With this, you will also get a complete step-by-step guide along with some bonus skills on how to act.
Brother, నాకు ఇప్పుడు ఆ ప్రాబ్లమ్ సార్ట్ అవుట్ కావాలి ఫస్ట్.
coding tool anti-gravity has like the way that the so let's say we open it up, we create a new 3 would be run and debug in case something is wrong with the code. Because if one agent is doing something and so you want to give it context, brand guidelines. These are the artifacts that I'm talking. Because it will pretty much do the whole. It doesn't do what MCP connected to our account. Hi, welcome to another.
Yeah, I think I have to end this stream right now because I have to sort things out about the token system and everything. I will see that video whole and let's see what happens from there, right? I don't want to waste my time and I don't want to stop building every single thing from the beginning. Yeah, well, let's learn few things about this AI tools, how they work and how they do things in a right proper way. Let's take some time, right? Learning is the best way to do things and executing is the best way to learn uh, things, right? And that is how we can earn money. That is how we can that is how we can earn money and that is how we can create revenue for our app. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.